Mixer 17. Mixer number 17. We got a box of 2019 playoff. I'm going to list out the cards we got here. We got a Devin Funchess. 20 out of 65. Auden Tate auto. Rookie ticket. Canadian Contenders 2018. Jalen Ferguson, college ticket, Canadian Contenders. T.Y. Hilton out of 299 patch from Playbook. Got Tony Pollard, auto, 2019 Contenders. And Wendell Smallwood, Eagles patch from Optic. Those are going to be decided by the wheel. Trust in the wheel. But 2019 playoff. Let's get to it. We got 12 packs, 8 cards per pack. 4 hits. It's supposed to be 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia. Let's do it. We have not ripped 2019 playoff. We haven't ripped 2019 really lately. So this will be cool. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Let's do it. Oh, Kid Reporter. Julian Edelman. Nick Foles. Jordan Howard. Eric Reed. Another Jordan Howard numbered to 99. Caught me. Dak Prescott, Air Command. Andrew Luck, Stargazing. And Raquel Armstead for that one. Also, who was your random team? The Browns. RJ, you had Browns. Guys, keep an eye on the YouTube page. This break, along with future breaks, will be reposted on YouTube. Sam Darnold, Bernie Kosar, Amari Cooper, Mitchell Trubisky, Tyler Lockett, David Montgomery, Rookie Wave, Marcus Lawrence and Byron Jones, Thunder and Lightning, and Justice Hill. Also on the YouTube page will be a recap of weekend's hits. Almost every Sunday night. Probably be posted on Mondays. So keep an eye out for that. Andy Dalton, Keenan Allen, Matthew Stafford, Christian Kirk, Rob Gronkowski, Will Greer, Air Command, Khalil Mack, Stargazing, and Drew Sample. Playoffs. Alright, Darius Leonard, Sean McCoy, Kenny Galladay, Christian McCaffrey, Sterling Shepard, Jared Stidham, Air Command, and that would be Deebo Samuel, Redemption, and it's not expired. We have a non-expired Redemption, Deebo Samuel. That's 49ers, right?
Who's that?
Deebo Samuel?
Yep.
So 49ers, that's Amy. Nice redemption there. And Mac Wilson. Redemptions. Still waiting patiently for a couple redemptions. Earl Campbell, Ed Reed. Oh, the boss. The boss.
Nice.
Jerome Bettis, Brett Favre. Got a Nick Bosa numbered to 99.
Nice.
Dak Prescott, stargazing. Oh, gets me every time. TJ Hawkinson, rookie wave. Every time. And Devin Bush.
Nice little break night. How's everybody doing? Got 13 people in there. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I saw Keith join. What up, Keith? RJ?
Alejandro Villanueva.
Alfred?
Stephon Gilmore. Leonard Fournette. Alvin
Bunch of legends in
Kamara. Legends. Break legends. OGs. 607 Breakers gang. Nelson Aguilar. Nick Bosa. Rookie wave card.
You can never have enough Nick Bosa rookies.
Never. DeAndre Hopkins. Lamar Miller. Thunder and Lightning. And a cool Miles Sanders rookie card.
If peeing your pants is cool, consider me Miles Sanders.
So we'll post the main event right after this one. The main event will be, what is it? Main event number 11 will be after this video. Melvin Gordon, James Conner, David Johnson, Drew Brees, Zach Ertz, Thunder and Lightning, David Johnson, Kyler Murray, Stargazing, J.J. Watt, and Dwayne Haskins. We are down to 5 packs. 3 of these packs. Hopefully I've hit some. Where's our hits?
What's the name of the YouTube page?
Our YouTube page?
Yeah.
It's under Knockout Sports Cards and Memorabilia. I don't know the link offhand. Tre'Davious White, Joe Flacco, Evan Ingram, Kurt Warner, Charles Woodson, Joe Mixon, AJ Green, Thunder and Lightning, Stargazing Von Miller, and Darnell Savage Jr. Are you looking for it?
Yeah, I'm gonna send the link to them. That's
Sony Michel, Edgerrin James, Tony Gonzalez, Julius Peppers, LT, Debo Samuel, and looks like A.J. Brown, rookie Stallions, A.J. Brown patch, and Dylan Mitchell, rookie sleeve. So, second hit, A.J. Brown. Patch, A.J. Brown. Tennessee Titans were random to Paul. Paul on the board. Of course, all the kid reporters go to Mark, Jilly. Kid reporters. Le'Veon Bell, John Elway, Jameis Winston, Tariq Cohen, Shaquem Griffin, cool card, Matt Ryan, Air Command Playoff, Game Day Signatures, Calais Campbell out of 75. That one's out of 75. Where are my sleeves at? And then on the bottom there's Zach Allen rookie card. Calais Campbell. Jacksonville Jaguars. Brandon. Brandon had the Jags in this one. 2 packs left, and then we'll hit the wheel for the rest of the way. The rest of the cards, Marcus Lawrence, T.Y. Hilton, Darius Slay. Kurt Warner. Got Marquise Brown out of 49. Low numbered rookie. Stargazing. George Kittle. Rookie wave Josh Allen. Linebacker Josh Allen. And Antoine Wesley. Rookie. So this should be our final hit right here. I believe it's a patch. Maybe it's an RPA. J.J. Arcega-Whiteside. Ray Lewis. Mike Williams. Juju. Larry Fitzgerald. Michael Thomas. Devin Bush. Rookie wave. And DK Metcalf. Patch. Rookie Stallions. Kind of wish it was an auto, but we'll take it. Seahawks is Marshall. Couple rookie Stallion patches. Not bad, not bad. So that is the box. That's it.
Got our hits?
That's our hits. DK Metcalf, AJ Brown patches, Calais
Nice.
Campbell auto, and a redemption Debo Samuel. Jaguars, or Seahawks, Marshall on the DK. Nice. Let's see. Let me get a piece of paper here. We'll hit the wheel the rest of the way. And we're moving.
A lot of good cards.
All right. The wheel. So let's start with Wendell Smallwood. Wendell Smallwood. Wendell Smallwood is going to go to Brandon. Brandon's going to get the Smallwood. Tony Pollard. Tony Pollard auto from Contenders. Who we got? Who we got? Dan. Dan's going to get the Pollard. My favorite here, T.Y. Hilton. T.Y. Hilton patch. From Playbook out of $2.99. Hilton is going to Ben. Nice win there. Moving on, Jalen Ferguson auto. Jalen Ferguson on the wheel. What is he on? Ravens. Ferg. Paul. Paul getting some luck on the wheel. Brandon, you hit. Oh, wow. Another snafu. I said Brandon's going to get the Smallwood. Got him. I got Auden Tate. Auden Tate. Tate. Going to Keith. And Devin Funchess out of 65. What was the other one? It was, Chubb.
Yeah.
Oh, the Chubb. Classic. Classic. Devin Funchess.
That was legendary.
That was. I try to
There's a
avoid.
lot of good names out there.
There
Anyone has-
Funchess. Brandon. Brandon Funchess. Awesome.
How many more? You want to throw another one?
We got another one?
Yeah, let's do another one.
I'll do one more. Freebie. Hit number 7 on the wheel.
Let's
Josh
do
is
it.
going to pull me one. Who we got?
Here you go.
Nice. Paris Campbell. Paris Campbell. Patch out of $2.99. Josh throwing it in.
I'm telling you right now, he's gonna be good.
Let's go. Hitting the wheel hard.
Mash, puck, taters.
Rob.
Nice.
Rob with the Campbell. Spread it around on that one.
Try to eat chicken noodle soup.
Rob. All right, that's the break, guys. Let's say we'll be back at 10:15 for the next main event. In the meantime, we're gonna post a main event, so we'll have a new main event posted
Yeah, I'll post it right now.
within the next 15 minutes. So we will see you guys soon.